Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to the second part of latitudes and longitudes. We are going to discuss about longitudes today. Before we start, let's recap what we have learned in the previous lesson. We discussed about locations, that they are of two types, relative and absolute location. A relative location is when the position of a place is described in relation to other places, and an absolute location is the exact location of a place on earth. And that the globe or a map has been divided into several imaginary lines that are called latitudes and longitudes, and the lines drawn parallel to the equator are called latitudes or parallels of latitudes, and there are 181 lines of latitudes. And the equator, which is called as the great circle, is at 0 degrees. Let's proceed. Longitudes. So longitudes are imaginary vertical lines that run from the North Pole to the South Pole, and they are known as meridians or meridians of longitudes. Now 0 degree latitude is at the equator. Where is 0 degree longitude? So according to an international agreement, the longitude passing through the Royal Observatory at Greenwich, there is a Royal Observatory at Greenwich which is in England, United Kingdom, is accepted as 0 degree longitude. Where is 0 degree longitude? At Greenwich in England, Royal Observatory, and all the other longitudes are measured from here. That is called as the Royal Observatory, or the 0 degree longitude is called as the prime meridian. The prime meridian, it is the starting point for measuring longitudes. You can see that here is, and these are the longitudes. They run from the North Pole towards the South Pole. North Pole, South Pole. See, these are the longitudes. Okay, and where prime meridian is, this is 0 degree longitude, where the prime meridian is. Now this is the Royal Observatory at Greenwich, England. Now we measured latitudes up to 90 degrees, right? Now longitudes to the east of prime meridian are numbered from 1 degree east to 180 degree east. We measure them up to 180 degree east. Similarly, to the west, they are measured from 1 degree west to 180 degrees west. This is the 0 degree longitude, the prime meridian. From here to here, this is the eastern part, 1 degree east to 180 degree east. Similarly, here to here, 1 degree west to 180 degrees west. Okay. Now the part of earth to the east of prime meridian, the eastern part, is called the eastern hemisphere, and the part to the west is called the western hemisphere. Yes. So this part is the western hemisphere and this part is the eastern hemisphere. Similarly, the equator, the upper part is the northern hemisphere and the lower part is the southern hemisphere. Okay. However, where this 180 degree east and 180 degree west meet, that is the same longitude, 180 east and west, and it is called as the international date line. What is it called? The international date line. Now the prime meridian or 0 degree longitude passes through several countries. These are UK, where it exists, France, Spain, Algeria, this is in Africa, Mali, Burkina Faso, Ghana, Togo, and Antarctica. Let's have a look at it on the map itself. So this is UK, where the Royal Observatory is located. Then it passes through France, Spain, then Algeria, Mali, then Burkina Faso, Togo, and Ghana, and then finally Antarctica. Now these latitudes and longitudes passing through each other, crisscrossing each other, they make a grid. As you can see that they are making a grid. So we also call it as graticule. The grid that they make, this is also known as graticule or simply grid. Okay, now the point at which they intersect or meet each other is known as coordinate. The point at which they intersect, the longitude or latitude, is called as the coordinate, and they help us to locate at any place or point on earth. Coordinates are the main feature that help us locate a place on earth. Let's have a look at simple example. This is a map. It has a grid has been placed on it. So these are the rows 1, 2, 3, 4, and these are the columns A, B, C, and D. Now if we want to know the location or coordinate of Ravi's house, then we can say that it is in column A and the row is 4. So Ravi's house is at A4. Similarly, if we want to know the location of this hospital, then we can say that it is located at B2. So this is the coordinate that help us locate any place on earth. Now if you want to know the actual coordinates of a place, then let's click on this place, and you can see these numbers 40.722148 and 74.060898. These are the coordinates of this place. So that explains that latitudes and longitudes help us locate a place on earth, and they are very important for us. So this completes our chapter here. We discussed about longitudes and latitudes. The lines drawn vertically from North Pole to South Pole are longitudes, and the lines drawn parallel to the equator are latitudes. The latitudes are also called as parallels of latitudes, and the longitudes are also called as meridians of longitude. And the meridians are measured from 0 degree longitude, which is at Greenwich, England, and it is also called as the prime meridian. And the prime meridian passes through these countries, and the 180 degree east and 180 degree west is the same longitude, and it is called as the international date line. And the point at which a latitude and a longitude intersect or meet each other is called as the coordinate that helps us to find a location or any place or point on earth. Thank you.